Use the ratchet screwdriver to twist out the screw and remove the bracket kit, then reach the low beam location. Remove the dust cover. Turn anti-clockwise and take out the stock light. Unplug the halogen bulb. Connect the LED power cord to the OEM power plug. Align to the headlight housing socket, twist and lock it in place. Put the dust cover back on. Reinstall the bracket kit and fix it with the screw. The installation process is the same as the driver's side. You need to remove the dust cover and take out the stock light, then replace the halogen bulb with the LED bulb. Pull out the liner by removing the screw. Use the ratchet screwdriver to remove 4 screws. Disconnect the power plug. Remove the whole tail assembly. Twist out the rear turn signal light. Slightly press the bulb and twist it out. Put the LED bulb into the socket, twist and lock it.